In this video, I'll share with you my favorite t-shirt design fonts that I use on a regular basis to design print-on-demand products. Now, these fonts are all paid for. However, in my opinion, they'll definitely help you level up your t-shirt designs and in effect, get more sales. So the first font I'm going to share with you today is called Thirsty Rough, and like all the other fonts, they will all be down below in the description, so make sure to check them out if you really like them. And yeah, so Thirsty Rough is a really nice script font. It has a very cool looking texture in there. I find that sometimes textured fonts don't really look that great, like if the texture isn't really the nicest of qualities, but this texture does look really realistic and it just really doesn't get old. And as you can see, there's different styles here as well. There's thick and thin, and there's versions with a shadow as well, which looks really nice. It just really has that retro vintage feel about it. It works for the various different niches. It's really easy to read, and it also actually works really well in combination with another font that I'm going to mention later in this video. That's probably one of my favorite fonts as well. But yeah, those two in conjunction look really amazing, so definitely stick around for that. And if you scroll down, you can see all of the individual styles right here. Let me just turn up the size a bit. Yeah, so as I said, light options, you can get just the shadows and bold at the bottom. You can also get the Thirsty Rough textures here at the bottom for free, just to sort of try it out, I guess, but I don't think there's any font included with that. But it's always nice to have some extras that come with the font that sort of match this style. And as you can see, I mean, the price is quite high here for individual styles, but if you go into family packages, you can see all of these bundles. For example, scrolling down, I'd probably go for something, if you're into t-shirt design, for something like the bold set or the black set, because they come to about $20 and you have a lot of really nice styles in there, and they'll be easy to read on t-shirts as they're quite big and bold. So yeah, I hope you like this one. Just the first one, there's still a few to come, so let's carry on. And moving on, we're on Creative Market for this one, and it's called Berringer. Now, this is probably one of the first fonts that I purchased, and I still use it all the time. It's sort of a one-fits-all type of style. It's very condensed, which means you can blow it up very big on your t-shirts. It has a nice texture effect, and it's very easy to read. If I just flick through some of these pictures right here, you also get the option to use it without the texture. And these are examples that have sort of more retro logos rather than t-shirt designs, I suppose. But here you can see the different styles. You have a rough edge, a smooth edge, and then the textured look. Yeah, as I said, really nice all-around font. Works for lots of different niches. You also get a slanted option, which sometimes looks quite cool. But yeah, basically, if you're just looking to get one font that's going to work for lots of different niches and types of styles, then this one is probably your go-to. Next up, I've got another retro font for you. This one is called the Groovy Script, and it definitely is groovy, like the name says. Very sort of smooth, extended letter forms that look really cool. You can also change the look of a lot of these letters with glyphs. I might show you an example on screen if it's not in any of these preview images, but I'll just flick through anyway. You get this extrude font version as well, which goes behind the normal letters and then creates this really nice final result. Definitely a standout font. It's maybe not the easiest to read all of the time, but if you just have like one or two words on your t-shirt that you want to really stand out and have them in big letters, then yeah, this Groovy font is definitely good for that. Some more examples here, hundreds of alternates. Yeah, there is definitely a lot of variation in this font. Some of the letters have like 20 glyphs or something, it's crazy. And as you can see, you get these sort of swashes as well at the end of an S, for example, to underline the entire word. Yeah, very creative font, looks amazing in lots of different scenarios. Wow, they really went all out with these images, never ending. But yeah, check it out for yourself. It's definitely cool and useful for lots of different purposes. So I hope you guys like this one. Moving on, we've got a font called Wildborn, and what I really like about this one is it has 6 different styles and also some bonus stuff in there as well. It's shown in these examples. It's basically like a separate Illustrator file with lots of different badges and little icons that you can use along with the font. And yeah, as you can see, different styles, vintage font, Here's some of the examples of the badges. You get these arrows as well, for example, which could work well in camping or nature-based designs, for example. And here's some of the different styles in action. There's the clean one, a half-tone one, which is a cool looking texture. Wild is sort of a stretched out texture look. And then you also get stamp. Rough is like a rough edge. So yeah, lots of variety possible there. Here's some more mock-ups. I think you get these flags as well within the extras, so lots of value there. It's not a very condensed font, so blowing it up massive on your t-shirt might be hard unless you have a word like mom or dad, which are obviously short and easier to make a big size. But yeah, besides that, really cool and useful font. It's also only $14 at the moment, so that's a really reasonable price in my opinion and worth checking out. Next up, I've got a font called Hazelnut for you, and this one has got more of a female vibe to it. However, it has also got some bonus stuff, which is going to be shown at the end here. There you can see that's going to be useful for lots of different designs. You could use it as decorations, for example, Christmas trees right here, or these really nice things. I don't even know what to call them, but they look really good as sort of decorative items on t-shirt designs. But the font itself is really nice as well. Very easy to read, as I said, works well on sort of women's designs, and there's some more examples of like the bonus stuff you get. You know, it has that really nice hand-drawn feel to it. I could see it working in lots of different scenarios, maybe teacher designs, which are quite popular all the time, like they sell all year round. Oh yeah, it has a bonus font. I forgot about this, but it has this thin, sort of funky looking font as well, which matches the main font very well. So lots of value in this one for sure, and it's only $12. So if you're working a lot with these sorts of niches which require fonts like this, then it definitely holds a lot of value for you. And moving on, we've got the font that I mentioned earlier, which works really well in conjunction with that retro script font. And this one is called Intro Rust. I definitely think it's one of my favorites and most used as well, because it works for literally everything. There's tons of variations, as you can see. So you have the letters with these sort of cutouts in the middle, you have halftone effects, you have the sort of textured effect, a line texture as well, which I think looks really unique. Other variations like this condensed font as well. I do like looking at this font. It's very attractive for sure, and definitely an eye catcher in t-shirts in my opinion, because it does look very professional and high end. Now the individual styles, scrolling down, aren't the cheapest again. However, if you just find one style that you like the most, maybe that's an option to buy just one of these fonts. Or what I've done in the past is go to family package. That's quite expensive still, but if you scroll down a bit, you come to things like the thin font right here, all in one bundle, 19 fonts, or this one right here, Intro Rust Grunge. So this is 10 fonts. Intro Rust Line is that line texture effect that I mentioned. Yeah, I hope you like this font. I hope you can find a style that suits you, or if you have lots of money, just buy the whole thing and you'll probably never have to buy a font again, because it literally has a style for everything, and they work really well in conjunction, which is I think a huge bonus, because you can have like one or two really nice looking fonts combined in one t-shirt. Combine this one with the script one I mentioned at the start, and you have really standout t-shirt designs in a style that matches, you know, the font style matches really well. And last but not least, I've got a font called Cheddar Gothic, and this one is the rough version. They do also have different versions of this font, but I'm going to share this one just because it's the one I bought. If you couldn't tell yet, I do really like those sort of vintage distressed fonts, and this is one of them. So I only just found this recently, but have really grown to like it already, because it's sort of very condensed and thin, which, as I said earlier, means you can blow it up very big on your t-shirts. It's very legible, very readable, which is obviously what fonts are for, to be read. The texture in this does look really cool in my opinion. It looks really sort of rough and worn out. So you have an italic version as well. And the cool thing is, if you select uppercase letters or lowercase, you have different variations for each letter. So you get these little kinks or extension right here in each letter, which if you write it out in lowercase you don't have. So it looks a bit cleaner in this version at the bottom, and at the top it's sort of more unique and a bit more eye-catching maybe. So that's cool for a variety. I've also spelled out drink and coffee down here, which just looks really cool, and I could see it working well for a coffee themed design. So that's just an idea there for you if you would look into getting this font. Yeah, very cool one. I hope you like it as much as I do. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found some new fonts to add to your collection and to use in your t-shirt designs. Now, if you're still looking for more fonts, then I would recommend checking out this video where I share some of my favorite free fonts for t-shirt design.